As you age, more and more of your cells and their DNA become damaged. That is actually what causes aging, the accumulated cellular DNA damage over time. But a small, random percentage of your cells, including your adult stem cells, will stay as pristine as they were when you were an infant. But unless you continually replenish your damaged stem cells with effectively perfect stem cells, you're doomed to undergo aging. However, new biotechnology is now promising to be able to select out your best quality stem cells and then repopulate your organs and tissues using those undamaged stem cells, resulting in the regrowth, rejuvenation of your organs and tissues to a state that you once enjoyed as a teenager. Several university research teams have also been able to take ordinary adult skin stem cells and convert them back into embryonic stem cells. Those researchers essentially turn back the aging clock on those stem cells. Those newly converted embryonic stem cells actually possess the raw material to make a brand new you, or any part of you. This means that at some point, doctors will be able to take some of your skin stem cells, transform them back into embryonic stem cells, the same embryonic stem cells you possessed as a baby. These cells would then be injected into your injured, diseased, or aged tissues and organs, and they will completely repair and rejuvenate those tissues or organs, whether that be your skin, hair, inner ear, bones, nerve cells, liver, kidneys, heart, pancreas, eyes, and so on. These experiments are truly revolutionizing the future of biomedicine on the cellular level. Stem cell therapy has the potential for a person to end up with absolutely perfect building blocks to have any or every part of oneself rejuvenated back to a youthful teenage state. Now, let's briefly discuss genomics. Genomics is our ability to map out and read the information encoded within our DNA. The entire human genome, along with many other plant and animal genomes, has already been mapped out and sequenced. One of the profound implications of this is that we are starting to understand our biological processes as information processes. Our genes determine everything about us, including our natural lifespans. But what are genes? Genes are actually little software programs inside our DNA. Once we can read a living entity's genome, we can begin to deconstruct and eventually reprogram its DNA, including human DNA. As Francis Collins, director of the National Institutes of Health, stated when the human genome was first sequenced in the year 2000, humankind is on the verge of gaining immense new power to heal. Even then President Bill Clinton chimed in, genome science will very quickly revolutionize the diagnosis, the prevention, and treatment of most, if not all, human diseases. Realize that every major age-related degenerative disease has various genes that are used in its expression. Turn on or off those particular genes, and those age-related degenerations can be stopped and even reversed.